In this video, I'll be sharing with you a requested tutorial on how to cut this stylish Victorian corset blouse with front lacing bar. So this dress is from Stitches by AC.
On my pattern, I've marked out my basic measurements, which includes my shoulder to bust, my shoulder to under bust, my shoulder to waist, and I added 5 inches to get the blouse length minus the parts we have at the center of this blouse. So the next thing you want to do is to mark your shoulder divided by 2. This dress has a sleeve. Add ½ inch to your shoulder measurement, and from there you're going to come down by 1 inch to draw your shoulder slope. After I'm done marking that, the next step you want to take is to find your chest line. Now place your tape and you're going to mark your bust circumference divided by 6 plus 1.5. Mine is 7 and I drew out a line on that point. Go back and mark your whatever you have on the shoulder, which is your shoulder divided by 2 plus half, and after that go ahead to divide here into 2 and mark. From here you're going to come out by ½ inch. Now go ahead to mark your bust circumference divided by 4 at this part. Now connect from the shoulder to that ½ inch and down to the armhole part of your pattern. After you're done connecting this, I'll go ahead and mark out my armhole. So after I'm done marking my armhole, the next step I'm going to take is to go ahead to mark my dart. And to mark my dart, I'll start with marking my nipple to nipple divided by 2. My nipple to nipple is 7 inches. Divided by 2, I have 3.5, and I'll go ahead to mark this all the way to the lower part of the pattern. And after I'm done marking, I'll go ahead to draw out a straight line connecting from the upper part all the way to the lower part of the pattern this way. Now you want to go ahead to insert your darts, and I'll just be using the basic dart of 1 inch on both sides. So if you're plus size or you're a bit busty, you should consider using 1.5 inches. Now I'll go ahead to also extend this measurement all the way to the lower part of the pattern. So after I'm done marking this, I'll go ahead to connect this pattern from the upper part all the way to the other side, and I will go ahead to mark this out. So after I'm done marking out at this part, I'm going to go ahead to connect from the bust to the under bust, and I will go ahead to repeat this at the other side of my pattern also, and I will connect. So the next step you want to take from here now is to go ahead to outline this first before we go ahead to work on the upper part of our pattern. Now place your tape and mark where you want your yoke to start. So I added 1.5 inches after my chest line, and I went ahead to mark my nipple to nipple line, which I extended it back. So after I'm done marking that, I'll be marking 0.75 on both sides of this part.